number 25. Great to see a couple of Warrnambool boys in this first group, including the Giblin Family Homes Warrnambool Locksmiths, Lane Transport V98 of Peter Dukas. The Duke is on the speedway in turn number 3 and 4.
Going to go on 98,
62. Hill Rip here in session number 1. Chris Solomon.
Okay, drivers, pick up the pace drivers. We're going green, let's go.
Danny Peska, the ABS is sunset, you would have had it.
I've always, you know, people that love sunsets are kind of a big deal, Chico. And Ross just said, I just did a bit of a fist bump to May just then. Love to see him get a good result. Ian Madsen about to push away. Boy, when we had Ian at the classic Frankie Gab, you could have heard a pin drop. He spoke with such reverence and such depth about really life-critical issues, and I think everybody in the room that was there at the classic went, wow, that was special.
We don't have many problems in comparison, right?
No,